Only on KITV tonight. Last year, nearly 700 children were born in our area alone, addicted to drugs. It's an uphill battle for these babies, and from day one, we hear so many families being torn apart by drug addiction. But this mom here in Austin is proof. A program in Travis County is helping keep these families together. These two,
this is Emily, and this is Nicole, 6 and 1.
Are Amanda Gordon's life.
Love you, baby.
But something threatened to change that.
I became addicted and started doing recreational drugs.
These two little girls have a sister.
I had to give her up for adoption, and that's what really threw me over the edge.
Amanda began abusing meth and Xanax.
Nobody really knew anything was really wrong. I was good at hiding it.
She is not alone. In 5 Central Texas counties, the Texas Department of Family and Protective Services has investigated more than 5,600 drug and alcohol-related cases. And in those same counties, 673 children were born addicted to drugs.
Addiction is something real. It's just like any other illness.
Amanda needed help. Her family called DFPS, but her success story didn't start there.
I was so angry that I literally went across the table and tried to strangle my supervisor.
If she was able to figure out how to use that anger to turn her life around, she would do amazing things.
Stephanie Weiss became Amanda's supervisor in a program called Drug Court.
We work with mothers and fathers who have at least one child under the age of 5 that has been exposed to illegal substances in some form or fashion.
The program requires supervised treatment, helping kids by helping their parents.
What's really different about Drug Court is they're allowed to go into treatment with their children.
That's what allowed Amanda to turn her life around, avoiding a dangerous path that could have landed her in prison.
They don't want to take your kids away.
You gonna dance?
She's taken it a step further, becoming a recovery coach herself.
Don't be afraid because it's new or because you have to admit that there's something wrong with you. So what? There's something wrong with you. There's something wrong with everybody.
Amanda is now the mom to Emily and Nicole she always hoped she'd be. The Travis County Drug Court program is one of several in the state. There are currently 28 families taking part in the program.